Click on search. Then type Airtel, Airtel app. I have Airtel Africa, so click on it. So let us install it. So it's been installed. Let's click open. So allow it. So let's get started. So we're going to enter the number now. Here you enter your number. Request for OTP. Click request for OTP. So the SIM must be in the phone you are using for the app, or else it will not work. So that's SMS detected. Let's forward the one. So you copy the OTP and paste it here. Or rather skip. Say welcome, you can skip all this. So this is the Airtel app. You can see the this is the Airtel app. You can see the name, the airtime, the voice. There are no data balance. You say recharge. You can see recharge here, and give it access to your own contact. And recharge the number. You can buy bundle. You can be your number or someone else's number. You can check for offers. The offers, no offers available at the moment. And there's a can borrow airtime, smart cash bank, mobile air, postpaid bill, then there are payment through bank, and then you have smart connect here. It's coming soon. It's not currently working. We can skip it. And let's click more on this menu. You can see the SFP services. Click on. Let's go back on manage account here. Settings, financial history, balance, just like that. Yeah. You can see smart cash data plan slash notification bar here. There's no to show here. Go back on. So this is the Airtel app. So let's click view all. So you can see the charge 5.2 mile offers the first shop for 30 smart cash bound by the submit ID for new verification into you share time gains. Then here or offer, you see what's an offer here, data pack, you can see it here, weekly, you have daily, you have weekly plan, and you have monthly plan here. The voice, the time, have voice and data. You have roaming window, so that is it. That's the Airtel plan for you. So this is basically the Airtel plan. This is the Airtel rather the Airtel app. So that's how you can this is just exploring the Airtel app to see how it is, what you can use it for. So and it seems to be restricted to just one number. So I can't find anywhere here where you can actually add another number the to the app. The Airtel app actually has where you can add one number. To add, just click on manage account here. Click on manage account, then click on view and add account. This is where you now add. Click on add account. Here you enter the mobile name and mobile number and the PIN. So that's why you can ask how you can add another number to the Airtel app. So this is how far we go with this exploring the Airtel app. Once again, thank you. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.